Hi there and welcome to my channel. Be sure and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified of more videos I'll be putting out like this every week. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get some loose beachy waves by braiding our hair and then running the flat iron over it. So to start, I'm gonna section it off, pull this top layer up. I'm gonna leave about 1/3 of my hair on the bottom. And we're just gonna make some quick braids. I'm gonna brush this out. And then once we have our braid, we're just gonna get the flat iron, start up towards the top, and then just bring it down nice and slow so the heat has time to penetrate through the whole braid. And then after that, I'm gonna just leave it and let it cool down while it's still in the braid and move on to another section. Okay, and now while that one cools, I'm gonna take out this one. We're just kind of left with a little nice wave, and the further down you go, it'll go all the way to the bottom. Unless you just want it to be a little bit straighter at the end, that's fine too. This one's still a little bit warm, but let's take it out and see. Again, more just of those waves. All right, I'm gonna finish up with the bottom layer and we'll move on to the middle. And when we're done with this section, we're gonna give it a little bit of hairspray just so it holds. All right, and when I finish with this section, I want to gather it so that it doesn't get mixed in with what hasn't been done yet. And then we're gonna pull up the top section and do the middle. And you might want to crank up the heat when you're doing it with the braids just so that it's hot enough to get all the way through the braids. I have it almost to the highest setting. And let's braid off another section, and if you want to get bigger waves, you can do a bigger braid. We'll do a little bit bigger one this time. A little bit looser. Let this one curl. I'm going to finish off this last section while it cools. All right, now we're going to hit that whole section with some hairspray and then tie it back with the bottom section. And then we're going to move on to the top. Now I like the top layer to be a little bit looser than the bottom layers. I don't want it to be as tight. So I'm going to do a bit bigger. And you can also do a looser braid. Just don't pull it as tight and that'll keep them a lot looser too. All right, I'm going to take this section out while that one cools. And now I'm going to finish off with the rest. All right, I got the top section done. We're going to just combine it now with the rest. Have it hit it all with some hairspray. Let's see what we got going on here. And there you have it. Too easy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.